Hi guys, today in this video I will be creating this very glowy beautiful winter makeup look for you all, and the highlighter which I have used in today's video is going to be from Tipsy Beauty. I love the product and please make sure that you stay tuned till the end of the video to find out more about this one. So without further ado, we are going to be quickly moving on to the base. Now the first thing I do is I take a concealer 2 shades darker than my skin tone and a concealer 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I've already done with my base, I've done my moisturization and sunscreen. After that I just dot it all over. Not only it helps in hiding the dark circles and the pigmentation I have on the face, but it also helps in highlighting it up. So take a damp beauty sponge and just try to blend it out. Make sure that you take time with the blending because that is gonna be the key to achieve a flawless and a natural base. After that we will be moving on to foundation guys, and today I will be taking a low to medium coverage foundation. If you want more coverage guys, you can go for a high coverage foundation. For this look guys, it is going to be enough for me. Taking the same beauty blender, I'm going to be blending it out. And if you want a flawless makeup base, make sure that you blend it out. At least use 2 to 3 minutes to do this, and you will see it that you will have a flawless makeup base. After that I'm just gonna be setting my under eyes using a loose powder and a bit of blush, which is gonna be very necessary for me because it feels like you're glowing from within. Especially in winter season, you need to have that flush. After that, moving on to lip color guys, I have already contoured my lips. You can take a brown liner and do that. And the shade I'm going to be picking today is going to be this very subtle nude brown shade. This one is Desire for Brown. Now guys, I am going to be moving on to highlighter, and I'm in love with this highlighter, which is from Tipsy Beauty. It is going to be the Cha-Ching highlighter. Now it is going to be available in 2 shades. I have taken gold shade here. It is extremely pigmented guys, and it has this luxurious finish to it, yet it is very affordable. Comes with this very beautiful packaging, and can you have a look at it, how beautiful it looks. Just a bit of it guys and you are gonna feel like a glow goddess. Loved it, and I was so amazed with the results guys, that I have applied on my nose, a bit on the chin, on my forehead as well. And even if you want to go over your lids, it is gonna be wowful. So just a swipe and it is gonna give you that beautiful golden glow. The link of the product is going to be in the description box below. Make sure that you check out this stunning product and you're not going to be disappointed at all. You guys can see the consistency on the screen. It's really buttery and it gives you that glow which feels like you're glowing from within. I especially wanted to focus on the packaging of these products. Really beautiful, amazing. This is gonna be their blush in the coral shade, and this one is gonna be their plumping gloss. So in winters we want our lips to be plump, beautiful, and something of shiny sort of a thing. So I really love applying a good lip gloss. So this one is a very beautiful brownish kind of a hue. I will make sure that I give the products links in the description box below. I love how beautiful these products are, and packaging is something to die for. So I would highly recommend you guys to check out these. Now let me introduce you guys to this double shot eyeliner by Tipsy. It is a very interesting product wherein you get kajal and also liner in a single product. I absolutely loved it. The pigmentation is going to be bomb as well, going to be very easy to work with. So I'm just going to be showing you the pigmentation of kajal. I was really stunned with the results. I applied in my lower limb and I got some amazing smoky looking eyes just in a swipe. So make sure that you check this one out as well. The link is going to be in the description box. Now we are going to be moving on to lashes. Now this one is going to be very important part in making your face look all brightened up, and it makes your eyes stand out a lot. So I take 30 to 40 seconds with curling the lash in, and after that I apply 3 to 4 coats of mascara. And I usually try to go for a waterproof mascara because it has a consistency which helps in opening up your eyes, and it just stays like that throughout the day. It is a bit difficult to remove, but believe me, this is how the look turned out to be. I am in love with this look. Gonna be perfect for this winter season. Make sure that you check out this Tipsy products. The links is gonna be in the description box below, especially the highlighter guys. I highly recommend it. I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.